Hi guys, this tutorial is slightly different. It's about using cardboard for party decorations. If you're planning to make decorations for a party and don't want to spend a lot, cardboard is a great alternative. I made a 19-foot wide cutout name along with a congrats and sweet sign for the dessert table for a graduation party. So I thought I'd explain how I made the stands for my cutouts. First I needed cardboard. A great place to get cardboard is Costco. A lot of their products are stacked on top of each other and separated by giant sheets of cardboard. I went around the store searching for more and was able to get enough for each letter of my cutout name. Next I cut out my letters. Then I needed to make the stands. I made a stand like this because it's easy to flatten and carry to the party location. It is confusing, but I'm going to try to explain it as best as I can. You want to make the stand a few inches less than the height of your cutout. The solid line means to cut through the cardboard completely, and the dashed lines mean to not cut it all the way through. My letter I was 33 inches, so I made my stand 30 inches. I added 6 inches for the base, making the total length 36 inches. For the width of the stand, you want half the width of your cutout. My cutout letter I was 6 inches, so I made the stand 3 inches. I added 6 inches for the connecting tab, making the total width 9 inches. I cut 3 inches off the base, opposite the 3 inches on the stand. Mark 6 inches down from the top of the connecting tab, connect it to the top of the 3-inch mark, and cut the angle created. Mark the center of the line where the stand and connecting tab meet. I marked mine at 15 inches, and mark 2 inches down from the base. Make a 2 by 3 inch rectangle on each of your 2 marks. Measure 2 inches from the bottom of the line that joins the stand and connecting tab. Mark 2 inches up to create a slit. Also make a 1/2 inch slit on the midpoint rectangle. I use a pencil to widen the slit. Turn it so the back is facing up. Bring the connecting tab up and pull the midpoint rectangle down. The slit should hold it in place. Next, bring the rectangle on the base up and secure it to the slit of the connecting tab. Glue the stand to the back of your cutout. You can use wood glue or hot glue. I painted the letters gold. I added tape to the back of the parts I thought might bend and placed rocks to weigh down my cutout letters. I marked where the letters would connect. I taped the letters together at the party and taped them to the stage. I also added rocks to the base, and this is how it turned out. And here are other party cutouts I've made in case you wanted ideas. These are 2-foot tall farm animals made from packing boxes, and the barn was made from a tri-fold board. These 3-foot monsters were cut from a refrigerator box. These tire characters were made from diaper boxes that were taken apart and hot glued back together inside out and painted. I hope this was somewhat helpful and you got ideas on how to incorporate cardboard into your decorations.